Christmas morning, 2011, kids coming down the stairs.
So much presents.
Morning.
Good morning.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Joel.
Christmas, Daddy. Merry Christmas. Wow, nerd.
Wow, did Santa Claus come?
Yeah. I hope you get it for me, Neil. This is for me.
Is there a tag on it?
Oh, it has a little tag, but it doesn't say Ian.
Doesn't?
Where's the bow? Look at the bow.
Look at the bow.
And there's a tag right by the bow.
What?
There's a
No.
little sticky sticker right by the bow.
Mine. Ian, Santa. This is mine.
What do you think, Neil?
I love Santa.
There's your stocking.
There's your stockings, guys.
Is this one mine?
That one says Neil.
This one says mine. Awesome! Dad should give me a new sock. Awesome! Give me a new stocking.
No, I think it's a towel.
Yes, towel. 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 What did I get? Awesome! What are these?
Oh, that's a headlamp.
Hey, yeah! Those are mine. Awesome! That's up! What? Oh, the new Pilot movie! I always spend money in this.
Neil.
What movie?
Awesome! I got this one! It's one of Maple Leaf.
Awesome, a nightlight.
I got this one, Mom.
Awesome.
Whoa, Santa is the best ever. Bestest ever. What's that, Josh? That's yours, Mom. To Neil. This is mine, Mom. Mom, this one's mine.
Okay, hey,
Okay.
wait, just wait a minute.
This wrapped up very good. This is wrapped up very fun.
Okay, I'm gonna sign off here. I just wanted to get your first reaction coming down. So,
Open mine now, Mom. This is
got a
gonna
couple
be the
books?
awesomest Christmas I ever want.
Ian, you got a couple of books?
I know. They're awesome. And I love Star Wars. Mom. Mommy.
What?
Can I open this now?
Well, wait for Ian to get a present.